Hey everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to change your Mac password or MacBook Pro or Mac Air. So follow along with me. Go to System and go to User and Group. So here you can see there's a lock here. So you have to click and open the lock. So you have to enter your password of your Mac or your MacBook Pro. So I'll just enter mine, then I'll unlock it. So now I can change my username. If I want to change my password, I'll click here, I'll change. So I'm just showing for the purpose of this video. I've already created my password. I'm not going to change it again. So after you type your old one, the new verify password in, okay, that's recommended. If you don't want, okay, you can allow it. You click change password. Now I'm not going to do that. I'll click cancel and then change my username. You hover your mouse over and my name is there. You right click, there's a warning, changing this setting might damage this account and blah 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 blah. So here you have your group. You can change your group here. You have your account name, you can put it here, and then the name, your full name, you put here. Login, blah blah blah, you put here. There are a lot of changes. Being batch, you decide what to put there. It's up to you. Home, directory, user, blah blah blah. You can you change. You put everything here. All the information are here. So when you finish filling all this form, now you click OK. After finishing all those things, guest user, you can put here. You change everything, enable, blah blah blah, all these things. You can fill it yourself. You know what to fill there. So after doing that, you save your change and then you click lock, so nobody can change it again except you. So that is how you change the password of your Mac, iMac, MacBook Pro, and so on and so forth. It's all the same on all Mac. Here you have login, item, blah blah blah, item name, time, height. So all those things, you take a look. So if you have any question on how to do it, post it down below, and then I will see what to do to answer the question. If not, love and share this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Stay well. The next video.